Cinnamon. Oh, you're a sneezy boy. Oh, we need some metal cook here for you right away. Tiddle. I don't have the treat, so don't bite me. Oh, poor you, Cinnamon. Come on, stop sneezing. Oh, hey there, Strawberry. Oh, poor you. Hey, Tiddles. Hey, Tiddles. Tiddles, I don't have the treat because Cinnamon needs mental care. Thank you. You good?